Hey guys, and I'm back with another video. And we're back with another vibe on this side, and you already know I like to get straight into my installs, so let's get into it. So today I'm going to be installing a unit from Westkisshair, and it's 22 inches, and we're back with the HD lace, and I love the HD lace from my last video, so you already know this HD lace is going to be laid. The texture is body wave, and it's 22 inches. First, I went ahead and applied my Fenty Beauty foundation just to match my skin color, match the scalp. I did go ahead and bleach this wig, and this is my first time bleaching an HD lace. Now, I'm applying my first layer of the Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just going to let it dry until it's clear, and then apply 2 more layers just so we can have an extra hold. Okay, and after the 3rd layer, I'm just gonna press my lace into the glue with the comb. So we're just gonna keep doing that over and over. Okay, but I just had to say, I'm already loving how this lace is looking, like it's already looking laid. You can't forget your hot comb. The hot comb is the key. But yes, here I'm just showing you some stuff that I got from Westkiss. So these are the lashes that I got from Westkiss. I'm currently wearing it, so that's why I had to show it separately. And it came with 2 wig caps. I'm wearing one, and then this is the elastic band, and then we got a hair wrap, and then it came with this Westkiss silk bag for the hair, an edge brush, and then we also got this hair wrap. So it's another hair wrap, but I just use that one for my edges. Okay, so now I'm just gonna cut off the extra parts that I don't need. So it goes all the way to my ear, so I really don't need that much of the lace, so I'm just gonna cut that side off. And once we do this side, then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and cut the other side. And then I'm going to apply my elastic band and just keep it on for about 15 minutes and then take it off. Okay, and we back 15 minutes later. Look at that, laid already. It's already looking good. And remember to follow my TikTok. The link will be in the description. This lace is blending with my skin so well. Like, where is it? Because it's undetectable to me. Okay, so now I'm just cutting off the lace, and we're gonna make sure we do it a little bit uneven, because you never want to cut your lace too straight, because then it's not as melted. Like, you gotta get that hair melted, especially with HD lace. You gotta take advantage of that. Okay, I did go ahead and cut off the lace, so it's a little white from the freeze spray. So what I'm going to do is apply some more makeup at the end. But look at this lace though, it's already looking laid. I'm just using my hot comb to flatten it out, and look at the bleached knots. Like, yes, I definitely bleached that. And now I'm just trying to get a neat part so we can have the perfect laid install. I really love this hair, it's so pretty. Okay, and now I'm just gonna take out my edges after a hot comb, but look at that. Look at the hot comb. And look at the lace. And the separation between the edges and the hairline, like, it's amazing. So now I'm just picking what edges I want, and then I'm gonna go ahead and twist them so they can be out the way. So now I'm just hot combing the edges, and then I'm gonna cut them so we can go ahead and get that. And now I'm using Got To Be Ultra Glued. I'm just so happy with this look, because if you see my edges from 2018, you will be like, I don't even know, but I just made so much progress, and look at it, it's so nice already. Look at the edges. I'm loving this video. Thank you guys for watching. My camera did go ahead and die, but don't worry, I still got clips of the finished look, so you know, I couldn't disappoint you guys. The link to this hair will be in the description, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.